Hey guys, welcome back to AutoTechNick. Today, you can see I got my son Trevor with me. We're off to kick off a new project, a whole new build, and this one, it's gonna be really special. Okay guys, you've seen the thumbnail, you've seen the title, you already know that we're going to get a 72 Chevelle. Now the car itself, it's a special car and I'm really excited about it, but the main thing why I'm excited about this project, as you can see, it's Trevor's first time here on camera. All the other projects up to this point have just been me. This is gonna be Trevor's car. We're gonna knock out a father-son project. We have a lot of work ahead of us, get this thing back on the road. We got a few years, but I'm really looking forward to it. Now, if you guys have been watching some of my other videos in the back of the shop, you've probably seen my red 1952 Chevrolet pickup. That is my first car. That happens to have been a father-son project that I did with my father a long time ago. It was an amazing experience. I was very thankful for it, and it very clearly shaped my entire career that I've had. I've always wanted to do it again with my son. We came across the right car. So, here in a minute, we're gonna get to the car. We can give you guys a quick walk around and show you what we ended up picking up. Okay guys, this one was worth the wait. So the story on this Chevelle here is that it's a one family owned car. The gentleman I got it from, his grandfather bought it brand new, pulled it off the lot, was handed down to his father, then to his mother. He acquired it and that's where I purchased it. Now this car has not been on the road since 1999. You can see there the tags, and it shows it's been sitting. You can clearly see this is an absolute true barn find. Really a very original, stock, unmolested car. I mean, the only thing that's had its way with this car is Mother Nature. We do have some rust repair that we're going to be addressing, but this is just a very clean, unmolested original car. I'm extremely excited about this. You just cannot find them like that very frequently. Now, I know this car would be a great candidate for a, will it run and drive? Those seem to be very popular right now. But let me get this open. As you can see, we're very factory AC. 350, 2-barrel, turbo 350 combo. But as I was saying, this car would be great to try to get it to run and drive it home. We're not very far from home. But as I mentioned earlier, this is a father-son project with Trevor. I'm at someone else's house right now, so I don't want the car to sit here for a long time, and I'd rather just get it out of here quickly and then take it home where we have time and I can walk Trevor through all the steps and spend more time just tinkering with it and getting it running rather than trying to hurry up and get it out of someone else's property. But you can see, proper barn find, very original car, sitting back in a tree row, very straight body. We do have some rust, but hey, look, we have a new panel. That's not a problem. So, pop in here, take a good look. You can see it's worse for the wear. We got a lot of work. It's going to be a big project, but Trevor's got some years. We got some time. It's a real straight body. Like I mentioned, I just can't get over how excited I am about this car. Trevor, excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, Trevor's excited. Trevor's good at the poker face. He learned that from me. Doesn't show his cards very often, so. And when it's washed, the charger will return. Anyways, I think that's it. We're gonna go ahead and get this car loaded, and then once we get home, we'll give you guys a much better walk around. We'll give this car a much better look over. But for now, I think today we have lesson number 1 for Trevor, and he is gonna learn how to load a non-running car onto a trailer, which is actually perfect because I just put a new cable on the winch and I haven't been able to get it wound up with any tension. And now we can use this car, and I have a little muscle. I can go ahead and crank this car onto the trailer and get that new cable wound up tight on that winch with a little tension via his new car. So we're gonna go ahead, set you guys down, get this thing loaded up, and start heading home. All right, guys, we got her all loaded up. Trevor got a nice workout, right, Trev?
Yep.
Yep. Winching her on there. Winch cable is nice and tight, so I'm pretty stoked about that. We got her on there. Tight fit on this trailer, but funny story, this trailer was actually made for an A-body for a 69 GTO drag car that my dad had a long time ago, so pretty funny thing. Also, this is the same trailer that we brought my truck home with when I was a kid, so it's a cool fun fact, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
So we got her all strapped down. Trunk's not bolted on the front, so we just threw a strap on there so the wind doesn't catch it. We can't get into the trunk lock, so that's, you know, more future projects to find our way in there. But we're good. We only have about a 30-minute ride home, so I think we're gonna load up, head home. Once we get this home, we'll go ahead and get this off of the trailer and give you guys a much better look and walk around to the car. Okay guys, we made it home safe with the Chevelle. It's what, a day or two later, Trevor?
Yeah.
Yeah. Buyer's remorse? You still happy with the choice?
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Very happy. So am I. I kind of go on the fence. The more I look at the car, I get more excited, then I try not to get my hopes up on the condition and the rust, but we'll get into that to a little bit. Before we talk about that, I kind of wanted to hit on or talk about what our plans for this whole series is going to be. Trevor, he obviously is now having an emerging interest in cars as he's getting older, but he's had one interest his entire life that he's always been really passionate about, which is
acting, and because of that, I've started writing and directing my own films.
Exactly. Trevor's really into movies, writing his own stories, his scripts, filming his own movies in the backyard. I mean, the first website he checks when he wakes up every day is IMDb. So with that, we're going to kind of leverage that, and I'm putting Trevor in charge of all the editing of all these videos of this restoration of the Chevelle. I'm going to be doing a lot of the filming because I'm going to be talking him through and teaching him the steps, but it's going to be up to Trevor to edit these, put them together, and get them up on YouTube. So I actually happen to work a weekend shift, so I spend most of my weekdays in the shop, and that's where I get all the work done and editing completed for all the work on the videos that you see on the channel thus far. With this project, we're going to be tackling this in the evenings when Trevor's home, so I'm not going to be touching this car during the day. I'm going to be showing Trevor the ropes as he works on it, and then he's going to be responsible for all the output of the videos on this project. Now, I really wanted to take a minute and thank Todd, Rob, and Dick for their help with getting the Chevelle. It really took all three of them to get this deal done, and I've purchased many cars over the years, but this was the first time that Trevor's really been through the experience of looking at the car for the first time, going and getting the title work done, purchasing and picking up the car. And really, all three of them were excellent role models for Trevor. They really did a great job of just showing him how the transaction should be, how it should go. They could clearly see what I was trying to do and teach Trevor through the process. So very grateful. They were very gracious hosts, and I'm just very thankful and fortunate that those are the people that we were able to pick this car up from. All right, I know when we were picking the car up, I said we're going to get it home and give you a closer look, but the fact of the matter is we still have a remodel going on. I have contractors in and out of the driveway. We're going on vacation for a week, and we really just don't have the time or space to get it off the trailer and do that right now. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of pause on that in the video here, and on the next video we'll go ahead and cover that. We'll get the car off the trailer, give you guys a really good look around of the car to really show you what kind of condition it's in, highlight the rust. We got some issues we need to do. We still need to get into the trunk. So for now, that's all in this video. Trevor and I both thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video, supporting the channel. If you guys haven't subscribed, we'd appreciate it if you consider doing it. That way you can keep up and follow this restoration all the way through. We have a lot of work ahead of us, don't we?
Yep.
So anyways, guys, drop us your comment below, like the video, and we're going to see you on the next one.